So you started your MP3 journey and you're wondering, well, how do I create an MP3? Well, there are many files you can it can play on the MP3 player. It doesn't have to be an MP3. There's other files, AAC, WAV files, and the list goes on what this can play. But just to try to keep it simple, if you wanted to create an MP3, this is just a brief overview. If you want anything more specific or how it's run, just let me know. But basically, you can have the CD and then have the CD converted into an audio format. That will work. But here in this case, one way to convert files that have been made is to use a VCO media player. We'll come here, convert, and let's say we have a video here. We'll drop it here, which we already did, right here. Then we're going to convert it. And depending on the settings here, I already have it set to audio MP3. But it has different file formats, different videos, different audios you can use. MP3, FLAC, the audio, a CD file, but we just need MP3 just to keep it simple. Then you just tell it where you want it to download, and then you would start, let it finish, and that's it. That's one way to create an MP3 player. One that may take a little bit more effort is because maybe you want to edit, maybe the file's too long, you only want one specific section. We're going to use something like Audacity. And with Audacity, you just put the file in, you cut it up how you want to use it, and then you save it as an MP3. Or you can use a website to convert it into an MP3, whatever file that you're going to use. Or you can use a downloader and download the file that you want and convert it into an MP3. Yeah, so that's just some of the few ways that you can create an MP3. You can create it with the CD and have it converted into audio. You can use the actual converter apps, whether they're offline, online converters, or editors. Any editor, audio editor, should be able to create an MP3 file that you need. So this has been Father Fossils with a quick overview on how you can create files into an MP3. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow.